Hello, everyone. Good day to you all. My name is Yui. I'm learning lesson 2, network devices. Today I will perform assignment 2.2, comprehensive computer inspect part 2. So let's have a look what we will do in this assignment. Right. So we will have 4 topics. Topic 1, dead pixel locator. Objective, install and use the dead pixel locator software to check your computer screen of dead pixels. Topic 2, performance test. Objective, install and use the performance test software to test your monitor and evaluate your computer performance. Topic 3, speed fan. Objective, install and use the speed fan to measure CPU temperature, monitor fan speed and voltage your computer and control fan speed. Topic 4, antivirus. Install and use the antivirus software. Okay, so I have downloaded all the software into my virtual machines. So for the assignment, so because I already setting up my real machine for the security for the security reason, so I don't want to use any tool like this in my real machine, so I have moved it into the VM for testing. All right. Let's see, Window Defender in here. Just get dismissed. Right. Okay, so first one is a dead pixel. So let's double click on this. So let's do the test like the dead pixel because after after time when using the PC using so the screen will have some issue like a green strip, uh, a straight strip like the phone. Uh, so to prevent that, and also to know any potential risk, so we will use this tool to test. So let's try this. So you can see nothing white, nothing like this. Test based on the color, magenta, red, green, blue, something like that. So that will help us to identify the risk and also which color have a problem in our screen so that we can have a plan to replace or repair. Yeah. All right. So that's for the dead pixel. Next is the performance test. As I remember, yes, performance test from pass passmod. Passmod. Uh, let's see. Let's install this. Yeah, passmod. Okay, just hit OK. So this one will help us to benchmark our machine. So to see what is the strain of our machine and what is the weak point of our machine when we working on or using it in heavy load. Okay, so for the real machine, we will have the configuration as follow. First, we have Intel 12 Gen Core i7. We have 64 gigabyte of RAM in DDR5, and the virtual machine is 8 gigabyte. We have 1.5 terabyte of storage, so we have two drive, two NVMe drive, and we have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Yeah. So that is for the real machine. Okay, so upload when the full benchmark has been complete. Okay, so as you can see here, we this is the UI. So to know how mm, to know how good it is, so we just run each one. So let's see, run. Let's try. Okay, when you want to test each part of your PC performance, just choose this, or you can run all at once by using passmark. Okay, using here memory mark, database operation test, memory read cache, memory read uncache, memory write, available RAM, memory latency, and memory thread, just like that. So I just run this one for testing because this is the virtual machine, so nothing is real, right? Just take a couple of minutes to finish this one. Right, so you can see there's number in here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the score in here is 2134 percentage word average. We have word leaderboard. We have database operation score like here. So now if we try to choose the CPU benchmark, can run. Let's run. Let's try to run. Okay, run one more time before we go to the other topic, to the next topic. Okay, so after a couple of minute testing, so we have the score in here. It's 7229. So it's around percentage mark. Hmm, not so well. So we add this much, right? So because our CPU is quite old now, it's from 2022, so now it's a 2026 now, so it's 4 years old CPU now, so the performance is not good as this year. Okay, so that's all for the performance test from topic 2. So the topic 3 is a speed fan. So the speed fan, um, for me, is only used for the old PC, just like 10 years ago, I think that some hardware, so it need to check. You need to control the fan, the cooling by our own, by ourselves to cooling. Okay, so because this one cannot be installed, so I will check to see we can get the latest version or not. Hmm. Okay, so let's change this into bridge first. Rig it. Okay, to get the internet connections. Or you can choose nah. Right. Okay, we got the internet now. So okay, so let's download the latest one. Lock. No. Right. We have download the software, so I just hit agree to install. I don't. Okay, just keep it as default. Right. Close. Okay, just here. You need the speed fan. Let's open it. Okay, because this is the virtual machine, so likely it won't it not cannot be set anything so deep into our cannot set to my real machine. So just let's see what is showing. Okay, it's identifying, scanning. Okay, as you can see here, the speed fan cannot be used on the virtual machine, so it just show not responding. So let me see that I can install it on my real machine or not. Let's see. Let's download. All right, let's see. Keep because I have enable Windows Defender has a highest level, so it will very sensitive. Let's see how it goes. So let's see, is it compatible with Windows 10 or 11 or not? So you can see here it's not responding now. So I will minimize my VM and open it on the real machine. So let's see how it goes. Okay, that looks like it can run, but it will scanning here. You can see here. So because I don't want to trick anything, uh, so I will take an overview of this. Okay, as you can see here, the temperature for my laptop average, as you can see here, is around 58, 58, and GPU is 57. Okay, let's take a clock speed. Okay, here's some tab. Smart for testing, for self testing, reading. Okay, so because on my PC I already have the tool to trick this thing, so I won't do the configure anything in this. So I just show you for quick look. Okay, nothing in here because most advanced PC uh, this day, so don't need to use this tool for this one is just fact for 10 years old, 10 years old device like 2016 and above. But now it's 2026, so nothing much to use this tool. Okay, that's minimize, and then I will remove this software to prevent any effective to my PC. Okay, it's running, so I need to close this first. Close this one, then remove. All right, for safety. Okay, all right, back to the VPN. So as you can see here, because anything is this is the virtual machine, so he cannot see anything real, right? Okay, so let's see. The last one is an antivirus. So the antivirus, the main purpose for this is for the user, for the consumer or the user that they don't have knowledge about how to keep their PC, their data safe. All right, so they will need to have software, need to have a tool to keep them safely from spyware, from malware, from tracker, from keylogger, or any internet phishing, right? Nowadays, so as you can see, there's many secure uh, secure issues has been caused in last year, 2025. Even for the big four like WS, like Azure, right, and like Cloudflare, right? So anything could happen. So uh, it is better to have a tool to protect the user from any risk or reduce the risk, right? Okay, so this is the installations display, right? Screen. So I don't want to install any browser, so I just unchoose this and click install. So let's have some overview. So we can see they have some tool for consumer like Scam Guardian, Smart Scan, Core Shield like spam, antivirus, Web Shield, or also have their firewall to replace the default firewall on the Windows. Network inspector to scan around our network. Who is using our network? What is the IP? So I will overview that for you guys. Hack alert, like if you if your account in the have a data breach, so it will alert you to change the password. All right. Okay, so you are protected. Continue. Because this is for the test, so I will continue with three free. Don't need to buy anything. So first is run the first scan for scanning the hardware. So takes a couple of minutes to do it. Okay, so after smart scan, okay, so because this is a free version, so this is not a real risk. It's not a real issue. This is just only try to get promote to make you buy a subscription. So I just need to skip. Yeah, finish scan, close my scan. Maybe later if you want to install on your phone, but nowadays, Android and iOS they mostly don't need this. Maybe later. No, thank you. Next, next. Okay, so let's look around. So we have a scam guardian. So just like the web guard, the web protection with AI, just something like that because everything is AI nowadays, right? Okay, next is the core of the antivirus software. So basically, first is a virus, virus scan, score shield, quarantine for to isolate the affected file, the affected folder into this. Next is a network inspector. So let's test. Got it. So let's try to scanning. Let's see who is in same same access point network. All right, so after a couple of minutes for scanning, uh, we have finished the scanning, so we have inspecting here. So looks good now. No, thank you. Yeah, we try to get invited to buy a subscription, but no. Okay, so next is a ransomware. Ransomware shield, just like the Windows. It's just like Windows Defender, ransomware shield, like this. Let me open this for you. It acting exactly the same, but basically the free version is not it's not as good as Windows Defender. Okay, so Windows Defender is here. Let's open Windows Security, Threat, App Control. So it will be exploit and just see ransomware. So because it have been take part by the Avast, so it won't have that. But in my real machine, I will just show you the on the real machine. Okay, so let's open security. Right here, you can see the ransomware protections. Right. So the control folder, let me see, control folder set. I have disabled this temporarily because it will prevent the VMware to to get the virtual storage. So when I running the VM, so I will turn up this. But in here, you can see here, protect folder, protect folder. If we enable the ransomware shield, so it will acting exactly the same with the Windows Defender ransomware protections. All right. So next is a firewall. So basically, the window firewall is enough, but most of the antivirus software will have their own firewall to replace the Windows firewall with some advanced feature. All right, some additional feature. So the bank mode runs remote access shield resize, so we will need a subscription privacy. So yeah, most of them is need to have subscription, so we don't need to use this software adapter. So if you need red rescue this or or the driver update or clean up the system, so we can take a look at this. All right, so that's how we will use the antivirus software beside of the Windows Defender. Okay, okay, so we have finished all four topic. So thank you for listening for my assignment. So I will see you in the next assignment. Thank you. Right.